Hey everyone, I'm Jessica J and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these Winter Wonderland nails using the Lazy Girl method created by nail tuber Femi Beauty. And I'll be using the Burano Glow in the Dark Polygel kit today, so let's get into it. So diving right into the kit, you get a little card with some info, and you also get an instructions pamphlet that gives you step-by-step details on how to apply the polygel, either with the dual forms, the nail forms, or the nail tips. Here are the nail forms, some glow-in-the-dark nail decor, the nail solution, the 3-in-1 base coat that can be used as nail glue and slip solution, and the top coat. Then we have the nail tips, and they are coffin shaped in a pretty good length. I think this will be categorized as long. I like them. They fit sidewall to sidewall. This is the largest size. And then we have the dual forms. A little dapping dish, the dual-ended nail tool and brush, and the Burano nail file. And then we have the polygels. So here are all 8 of the colors. And honestly, the tubes are smaller than I expected, but since you get so much in the box, it's not even a problem. Okay, so I did one hand off camera, and this is what it came out like. And I'd say for this being my first time trying this method, it came out pretty good. So I used the nail tips from the kit, 3 of the shades from the kit, and these little snowflakes that I got from Amazon. So let's get into it. And here I'm just applying the snowflakes inside the nail, and I had already put the top coat inside the nail, so I'm laying those snowflakes right on top of that first layer of top coat. And then I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds and then encapsulate that with another layer of top coat so that I know that those snowflakes are nice and secure. Next, I'm going in with the polygel and the slip solution. And I'm making sure that I follow the shape of the nail and bring most of the product to the middle where that apex is and make it as thin as possible in that cuticle area. Now I know for next time when I do the Lazy Girl method that I should get those nail art stands that look like little chess pieces, because this was the most difficult part of the whole process, just me holding the nail itself. So that is a helpful note. So here, I'm flipping the nail around to make sure that it's not see-through or patchy from this angle. You always want to see and make sure that your nail looks good from all angles, no matter what kind of nails you're doing. After I have the nail how I like it, I place it on my thumb, and I'm just going to clean up any spillage of polygel that comes through from me trying to press it on my nail. And then I see too that my nail isn't covering from sidewall to sidewall, so I pull some of that polygel towards the cuticle a little bit, just pat it down a little bit to make it blend a little bit better. So after curing for 60 seconds, I just check the other side of my nail, and it does seem like it's still a little bit wet, so I flip my hand over and just put it in the lamp for another 30 seconds. So on the next finger, I'll do the whole process again, a little sped up, and then I'll finish the rest of the fingers all the way sped up, just for the sake of time and because it gets a little bit repetitive. And I'll be right back. Boom, so we're done with that part. We've got all the nails on. Next, I'm filing all of the nails to make sure I get them to the shape that I want. Now that I've got my desired shape, I'm just going to go back in with my hand file and file the surface of the nails. That was easy enough. Now it's time for the crystals, and I'll be using my Super Diamond Gel Glue from Nail Supply Glamour, and then I'll top that with the top coat from Burano. And now that I went ahead and applied the rest of my crystals off camera, I'm going in with my nail serum / cuticle oil from the Black-owned beauty brand Femi Beauty. And like I said in my last video, I love this cuticle oil and I'm gonna keep using it, guys. So that's it. This is what they came out like. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed it. And shout out to Femi Beauty, because this is really a nail hack for the girls. It's really awesome. It's really easy after you get the hang of it, and I'm gonna, practice again. And like I said, I recommend that you have a nail art stand that looks like this chess pieces, because it's gonna help you in holding it, because I made a mess because I didn't have that. So for future reference, I'm gonna get that, and I can't wait to show you guys in the future. Like I said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.